All right, welcome back. Windows are not only a way for you to look out into the world, but also to protect what's inside.
That's right. How can you tell if your window is a quality one? Joe Altman is here to continue the everyone is taller than us part of the show. Joe, how tall are you, man? Come on.
6'5".
6'5".
At least that's what I tell my friends.
That's right. Over a foot taller than yours truly.
That's true. I did not wear the heels today. All right, so let's talk about this. You bring a cross section of a window and window pane.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Well, we figured most homeowners wouldn't want to cut their windows into pieces to see what's inside, so we did it for them.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's a good point.
Thank you. So what is inside?
Yeah, so windows, depending on what they're made of, can be constructed a bunch of different ways. So you have like wood windows, you have metal windows, and so for wood windows, they're going to be typically solid wood.
Okay.
Problem with that is you can't get a lot of these reinforcement structures, insulation, the foam, air pockets, that kind of
Well,
stuff.
and more susceptible to heat, cold water.
Yes, the wood's going to
Especially in our
expand in the
area.
summer, get humid, harder to open when you want to open your windows.
Right.
And in the window, they contract, so they get actually a little bit more drafty, those wood windows.
Okay, so really if you're replacing windows in your house, you're going to want to look for something that's a little bit more weatherproof.
Correct, yeah. So something that's not made out of an organic product. And so you can also deal with the corners. So wood, when you construct them, or even cheaper vinyl windows, the corners start to fail early because they're not constructed well. They'll separate, the glue fails, and then if you got drafts and cracks and bugs, spiders, right? Our worst enemy.
Yes.
They're coming into your home, and so we actually, a lot of good vinyl windows will fusion weld the corners.
Okay,
So instead
you
of being a
know
weak
it's-
point. Yeah, very strong.
Okay.
So I lived in a house that was built in 1948.
Okay.
I went through this window nightmare.
Yeah.
It had crank out windows.
Casements, are those called?
Yeah, casements.
Yeah,
Yep.
they may have had
They're
lead.
called
I
the
don't know.
arm exercise windows.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, so my biggest fear, and my concern, because I don't know anything about the windows, is what can you put in when you're taking those old school, odd-shaped windows out?
Yeah, so if you are working with a company that does custom windows, which is one of the things we do, is essentially whatever opening you have options. So if you want to put in a double hung window or a slider window or a picture window, there's a bunch of different things available to you. Some people will just stock like a basic window or replace what you have. But if you're working with someone who does custom windows, you can really put whatever you want in there.
Well, and also things that are easier to clean too. Like,
Yes.
you know, you think you need to have all of these, someone special to come and do them. It's like, no, if you have the right windows, it's
Correct.
easy for you to do it on your own.
Yes, so they should be able to tilt in. So my in-laws actually got all new windows from us, and they
you
went
do them?
around. I helped them purchase the windows. I got them a
But he
discount.
didn't call you first, hopefully.
Correct, you did. But they have a 2-story home, and so now they can actually tilt all the windows in, clean them every year from the inside. My father-in-law appreciates not having to get up on a ladder every spring.
That's
to clean the
safety
windows.
too. The older
Yeah.
we get, the more we want to be able to ergonomically clean and maintain our homes so we can
Absolutely.
stay in them as long as possible.
Well, if he has a son-in-law that's 6'5", he doesn't have to get up on a ladder at all.
Yeah, I said I'll just clean them from the ground.
That's
so.
right. That's exactly right. Okay, so this is just some of what you guys do, right?
Yeah.
Maybe what all do you do?
Yeah, so in addition to windows, we're going to do doors. I think we talked about that last time. We also do siding and roofing. So roofing is something that people don't really think about too often. It's up on the top of the house.
Right.
You notice it when it's failed. Windows and siding, those are really going to upgrade the looks of your home.
Right.
So one of the really cool things about siding is based off of how much it changes the look of your home, the cost compared to buying a new home is such a difference. We say it's the cheapest way to get a brand new home.
Absolutely.
Is to
You know,
re-side
when
it.
you watch HGTV and the house, like, ooh, that's dated, and then they put a new, the exterior changes completely just from the siding, colors, and what's chosen. So you guys can help with that also.
Absolutely. We can take something that doesn't look so good, make it look better, kind of like my beard does with me.
Oh,
so
yeah.
Just
It does
kinda
look good. I am
cover
jealous.
everything up.
It's a beard show. I shouldn't have shaved this morning.